All right, we are just a week away from Halloween. It's time to talk about some unique crafts for a ghoulishly good time next week.
Joining us now, lifestyle blogger Vina Crownhome. Welcome. So show us what you brought in. I know I've already been eating some of the candy, but you have a lot of cool stuff
Cheater.
to show us.
I do. I mean, I started with Shop Disney over here because how cute are these backpacks? They're by Loungefly. So adorable. I mean, cute little canisters. I mean, I love this just for carrying candy. It lights up, so it's like dual purpose. As a mom, I'm like, it lights up and it carries things.
Do these light up?
No, but it's so
You should
cute.
you can put a light on it. It's so cute.
That's kind of how I feel. And then these I love because if you're dressing up, it gets cold at night. You've got cub coats, which go from a cute little cuddly cub to...
Oh, that came like this?
Yes! And then it goes into a coat. How fun is that?
I'm such a consumer. That would totally get me.
Huh.
And it's nice and warm. Remember, you don't have a mic, so is it nice and warm and snuggly? Yeah. And you look so cute, too.
I know. I love that. And then
It's like high-end decorations here.
these are by Amazon handmade, and these are handmade by a woman. How cute are these velvet pumpkins?
Wow.
I love them. And then the sign is handmade. This is handmade. So just, it's a lot of fun decor for your home that feels a little bit more high-end.
These are really from Amazon?
Amazon handmade, yeah,
Okay.
they're on Amazon, so they're pretty
Oh.
incredible. And then this is a really fun section that I was working on this morning. So these are just your average peeps, and then I turned them into cute little like gift bags for s'mores. And then you can also do s'more ghosts like this, which are a lot of fun. So you just melt some chocolate and you put them on there, and then you've got these great little decor and treats for
What'd you do?
kids.
What'd you do? Tape this?
I
thing?
It is
taped them
taped for
on.
decoration.
How am I supposed to try it if
Hold
you're
on.
taping it?
Peeps makes ghosts?
Yes, and they make little
Who knew?
like Frankensteins, and they're edible. Glenn, do it.
It's a
And?
s'more. How's it not going to be good? Although it's a peep.
A lot of sugar.
It is.
It's Friday, Glenn. Just
Can't
eat
even
it.
taste the graham cracker.
It is. And then if you are like anti-sugar, which does happen, these are little clementine oranges that I just put a piece of celery in.
Oh my
so
gosh.
they're still in theme with Halloween, but
This is what I'm
healthy.
going to give Liberty Chan for
funny.
Halloween.
Exactly. And then if you're going, I don't want any kind of sugar in my house, these Poopsie Unicorn Crush are just, kids love slime. So they're just a great thing to give completely
What's that called
instead.
again?
The Poopsie Unicorn Crush slime?
It
I
says
mean,
it on the box, Glenn, too.
It does. I mean,
Okay.
you
You
are
did.
welcome to try that if you,
you know.
if you feel like that.
This is my favorite thing on the table.
So I made this today just because it's really great. You can make a succulent pumpkin, and then when it starts to get smushy, you just plant the whole thing into the ground. So completely eco-friendly and really cute. And then I just put some peeps on some straws just for a little bit of flair.
But I like it. You've given me so many ideas for Halloween
You
decorations.
know, I think you outdid somebody who came here yesterday and did a pumpkin out of melons.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah.
How did I miss that?
You gonna steal that idea?
Maybe.
Yeah.
I mean, it's just, I'm just logging it back in
Also
there.
cut a hole in the bottom, you know, and
Oh.
all kinds of
He was
I
paying
know.
attention
He
over
really
here.
was. Glenn surprises us all the time. But for more
There
information,
were no s'mores to eat in that segment, so, you know.
for more about Vina and all of these creative ideas, you can head to her website. You can also find her on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Thanks so much for coming in on a Friday and giving us a sugar rush and some amazing ideas for Halloween.
Yeah, really.